Do you ever feel powerless? Like maybe you're just sitting there right now. You're sick and tired of doing whatever it is you're doing right now. You know you want to do something different, but you have no idea how to take yourself to the next level. It's almost like you're spinning your tires and you're going nowhere fast. Maybe you're the kind of person who's got tons of ideas, but guess what? That's all they are. They're just ideas. So I was just listening to some of my marketing materials that comes with the program that I'd purchased, and they're talking about copywriting for your business. But I was also reminiscing about the time that I felt like I was stuck and it was time for me to make a change. And basically I was living paycheck to paycheck while my girlfriend was blowing up as a performer, traveling and going all over the world, and I was pissed because I was broke, busting my ass. I couldn't go anywhere while she was traveling all over the world getting paid. It was one of the first times in a long time that I was super motivated to make a change in my life. Fast forward 8 years, I've been around the world 3 times, and had I not taken action, it never would have happened. Now I'm doing it again in a second chapter. If you want to know more, click the link in bio or drop a comment.